Lezi nkomo zibhadanywe emva kwephunga elibi ebelikhange Kapa. Umkhandlu obhekele ukuphepha kwezilwane, i-NCSPCA, uthi leli phunga libonise ngokusobala ukuthi lezi zilwane ziphile ngaphansi kwezimo ezinzima njengoba seyichithe isikhathi ezingangesonto zisemkhumbini. Kukholakala ukuthi lo mkhumbi obizwa nge-Al Kuwait ume eKapa ulayisha amabhele alezi nkomo ebeyisuka eBrazil zibheke e-Iraq.
The SPCA has done a great job, but we're just here to be a voice for those that don't have a voice, so that we can actually kind of create more of an awareness, try and do a little bit of it, make a bit of a difference, and by maybe bestowing a little bit of conscience within people that this is wrong.
Kulomkhumbi kutholakale inkomo ezifile nezilimele. I-NSPCA ithi yaphoqeka ukuthatha isinyathelo yabulala ezisishagalombili ezatholakala ukuthi sesimene sibi.
I just thought the conditions, when I saw those pictures of those animals and smelt the smell, that there is just no ways we can accept that this is how animals are treated. And I feel so strongly about it. I've left my kids, I've left my animals to come here and just give some support, because we need to raise awareness for this issue. It has to be dealt with on a higher level than this. And honestly, it's just, why do animals need to suffer in this way? There is another way to do this.
Kubika ukuthi lo mkhumbi usuliflathele elakuleli.